Hello everyone, I Dr. Shambhoo Sharan Gupta, Faculty of Department BA J&Mc from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic of meaning and objective of research. Research is a systematic inquiry that investigates hypotheses, suggests new interpretation of data or text and poses new questions for future research to explore. Research is a careful and detailed study into a specific problem, concern or issue using the scientific method. It is an adult form of the science fair project back in elementary school where you try and learn something by performing an experiment. This is best accomplished by turning the issue into a question with the intent of the research to answer the question. Research is a matter of raising a question and then trying to find an answer. In other words, research means a sort of investigation describe the fact that some problem is being investigated to set the generalization. Therefore, research is activity of solving problem which adds knowledge and developing of theory as well as gathering of evidence to test generalization. Research is composed of two words, re and search, which means to search again or to search for new facts or to modify older ones in any branch of knowledge. The Western International Dictionary proposes a very inclusive definition of research as a careful critical inquiry or examination in seeking facts or principle, diligent investigation in order ascertain something. A careful investigation carried out to understand or re-examine the facts or to search for new facts or to modify older ones in any branch of the knowledge. Research is an academic activity. According to Coiffer Woody, research comprises defining and redefining problems, formulating hypotheses, collecting, organizing and evaluating data, making deduction and reaching conclusions, and at last carefully testing the conclusion to determine whether they fit to formulating hypothesis. The term research refers to the systematic method consisting of enunciating the problem, formulating a hypothesis, collecting the facts of data, analyzing the facts and reaching certain conclusions either in the form of solution towards the considered problem or in certain generalization for some theoretical formulation. Encyclopedia of Social Science define research as the manipulation of things, concept of symbols for the purpose of generalization to extend, correct or verify knowledge, whether that knowledge aids in construction of theory or in the practice of an art. This definition throws lights on four connotation as manipulation of things, generality, extending knowledge, and fourth, building of theory or practice. Objective of research. The objective of any research is broadly studied under two headings, namely number one, academic and second, utilitarian manipulation the things, finding new proposition or concept resulting to generalization and discovery of truth. The purpose of research is to discover answer to question through the application of scientific procedure. The main aim of research is to find out the truth which is hidden and which has not been discovered as yet. The main objective of research are given below. Test the difference between two variables, find out certain conclusion, draw out an exact nature of individual's group or institution to achieve new trends in the phenomena. Thus, research look at people's need for information and literature of all kinds and in concern with some problems. So, I hope you understand the topic of meaning and objective of research. Thank you very much.